Adam Savage in my cave with a quick show and tell for you. You know that one of the primary things I do in here is I make objects that are compelling to me in order to seek a certain kind of experience with those objects. And some of those objects are from computer history, some of them are from film, some of them are from books, some of them are from comic books. And if you're a regular watcher, you'll also know how deeply I love and abide Hellboy. Mike Mignola's Hellboy, Guillermo del Toro's Hellboy. I even love the new Hellboy. It's okay, and there's some great things about it. But my love of Hellboy runs so deep that I have replicated some things from the comic book that have never seen the light of day. One of the best and most dedicated Hellboy prop replicators out there is Tim Arp, known as Grim Tim, I think, online. And he's a regular of the Replica prop forum and some other forums that I frequent. And he was the one that made the small charm that they actually used in Hellboy when Hellboy's trying to get the guy on his back to talk. I think I have all those facts right. Anyway, Tim and I are pals, and many years ago we collaborated on a small run of some Hellboy props, and one of them was a spear from one of the early Hellboy comic books. And Tim made the master, and then I had a foundry make it in bronze. So this is a Hellboy prop that there's only, I think, 4 of these in the world. I think Tim has 2. We made 5. Tim has 2. I gave one to Guillermo del Toro. I still have one here for Mike Mignola when he visits the cave. I keep forgetting to reach out to him. It's not like I know Mike, but we met once. And Mike, if you're watching this, you're welcome to come to the cave. And I've got one of these spear points for you. I love this thing. And like I said, when I make objects, I'm looking for a certain kind of experience. This feels like a real experience. This is like a heavy piece of kit. And in fact, I wanted a spear for it. So instead of just buying a long dowel, because that doesn't feel period, I actually cut a 2x4 down and spoke shaved it and tapered the end so that the spear goes on it. And there you have your Hellboy prop spear. This is one of the more esoteric pieces in this cave, but I thought you should know about it.